Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. In this video, we will be going through our college data science paper of first internal. Now we will be seeing this question paper here in which our first question is how unstructured data are analyzed given example of data mining activity to analyze unstructured text data. Unstructured data. Unstructured data with no predefined structures comes in any size or form, cannot be easily stored in table. Means unstructured data such as text, images and videos lacks a predefined format or organization, making it challenging to analyze. To extract insights from them, various techniques and tools are employed, including text processing, which means cleaning, tokenizing, and normalizing text data to prepare it for analysis. Natural language processing, aka NLP, means using techniques like sentiment analysis, entity recognition, and topic modeling to extract meaning from text data. Now, third is information retrieval, using techniques like search, indexing, and ranking to efficiently retrieve and analyze large volume of unstructured data. Now, fourth is machine learning, applying machine learning algorithm to unstructured data to identify pattern, relationship, and trends. Let's take an example and understand it better. Now, data mining activity to analyze unstructured text data. Let us consider a data mining activity to analyze customer reviews on an e-commerce website. What is our goal? Our goal is to identify the most common complaints and praises about a specific product. Now, what are the steps we are going through? First is text processing. Remove stops, words, punctuations, and special characters from the text data. Convert all the text to lower cases. Tokenization. Split the text data into individual words or tokens. Sentimental analysis. Use a sentimental analysis tool or library, example, NLTK, text block, etc., to determine the sentiment of each review, positive, negative, or neutral. Topic modeling. Use a topic modeling technique, example latent allocation LDA, to identify the underlying topics or themes in the reviews. Fifth is term frequency inverse document frequency. Short form is TF-IDF, which calculates the TF-IDF score for each word in the review to determine the importance of each word in the context of entire review corpus. Visualization. Use visualization tools to represent the result such as most common complaints and praises. Now we move on to second question, that is how text mining techniques you can automate the process of classifying written complaints. Now, that means text mining techniques can be employed to automate the process of classifying written complaints. Here are the step by step that I will tell you, so listen it carefully. First, data collection. Collecting the data. Gather a largest data set of written complaints along with their corresponding categories or classifications. Second, text processing. Clean and pre-process the data by tokenizing the text into individual words or phrases, removing stop words, punctuations, and special characters, and converting all text to lower cases, removing irrelevant or redundant information. Now, third point is feature extraction. Extraction relevant feature from the pre-processed text data using techniques such as bag of words known as BOW, term frequency, inverse document frequency, TF, IDF, word embedding. Now, fourth is machine learning model selection. Choose a suitable machine learning algorithm for text classification such as naive Bayes, support vector mechanism, random forest, convolution neural networks CNN, recurrent neural networks RNN. Now, fifth point is model training and evaluation. Train the selected machine learning model using the pre-processed text data and evaluate its performance using matrices such as accuracy, precision, recall, and F-score. Sixth, deployment, model deployment. The trained model in a production ready environment where it can receive new unseen complaints and classify them accordingly. Now we will go through some popular text mining techniques. First is sentiment analysis. Analyze the sentiment of the complaint to determine the customer's emotional tone. Second, topic modeling. Identify the underlying topics or themes in the complaint to determine the root cause of the issue. Named entity recognition (NER) means identify and extract specific entities mentioned in the complaint such as name, location, and organization. Part of speech known as POS means analyze the grammatical structure of the complaint to identify specific keywords and phrases. Now we will move on to our next question. Here, it is said that consider the following complaint suggest the approach algorithm process to identify applicable IPC BNS sections to recommend applicable board international category section or Indian penal code section. Now here you can see the copy of complaint. So this is the copy of a complaint that is filed and taken from an online site, and I will explain it to you line by line. First, we will do text processing, which means tokenize the complaint text into individual words or phrases. Remove stop words, punctuations, and special characters. Convert all text to lowercase. Now, second, we will perform name entity recognition, which means identify and extract relevant entities from the complaint text, such as we will take an example from this location MG Road, date 2023-0220, time not specified, property stolen, mobile phone, prepared description, unknown person, black jacket, scar on the face. Now, third point, part of speech means POS tagging. Analyze the grammatical structure of the complaint text to identify. We will see verbs like stolen and shopping, and nouns, phone, store, and thieves. Now, fourth, we will see IPC BNS section identification. Basically, we will identify the most suitable section that is applied. Use a knowledge graph or a database of IPC BNS section to identify relevant section based on the extracted entities and POS tags. For example, IPC section 379 for theft, IPC section 414 for assisting the concealment of stolen property, and BNS section 021 theft of mobile phone. In fifth step, we will ranking and filtering. Rank the identified IPC BNS section based on their relevance to the complaint. Filter out sections that are not applicable of or are less relevant. Now in ninth question, we will see that what are the data structures and algorithms used in this process. Now first we will go through algorithms. First is natural language processing NLP. Use these techniques like tokenization, stemming, and lemmatization to pre-process the complaint text. Second, machine learning. Train machine learning models like supervised learning algorithms, example, logistic regression and decision tree, or deep modeling learning models, convolution neural network, recurrent neural network, etc., to identify relevant IPC BNS sections. Third, knowledge graph embedding. Use knowledge graph embedding like TransE, TransH, or conv to represent IPC-BNS sections and entities in a vector space, facilitating semantic search and recommendation. Now we will go through data structures. First, it is hash table, a dictionary for storing the IPC-BNS sections with their corresponding text and metadata, examples section ID and category. Second, inverted index for storing the complaint text and mapping each word to its corresponding complaint IDs. Third, graph data structure for representing the relationship between IPC-BNS sections, complaint text, and entities. Example, people, location, and organization. Now, in next question, we will see that explain suitable matrices to access the performance of algorithm in text mining. So, we will go through them one by one. First, accuracy measures the proportion of correctly classified instances. Second, precision measures the proportion of true positive among all positive predictions. Third, recall measure the proportion of true positive among all actual positive instances. Fourth, F1 score measures the harmonic mean of precision and recall. Fifth, mean average precision. Sixth, area under the curve. Seventh, mean squared error. Eighth, root mean squared error. 9, mean absolute error. And 10, coefficient of determination. These are all the parameters on which we will see the performance of algorithm in text mining. So now for today this lecture, this is it, and we will meet in the next lecture. Till then, goodbye and take care.